Real estate is emotional, but most listings still rely on empty, lifeless photos. No wonder buyers struggle to imagine themselves living there. So we built a better way to bring homes to life. Turn boring interior photos into vivid, emotionally engaging real estate videos. Our real innovation isn't just transforming spaces, it's bringing homes to life with people actually living in them. Add human presence to empty or furnished rooms, showing real moments buyers can emotionally connect with. Then enhance older rooms with clean, modern renovations to reveal their full potential. Just upload your photos, choose your transformation, select your voice and background music, and your finished marketing video is ready in minutes. Bring every space to life and help buyers actually feel the home with Vibe Peak.